Hey guys, welcome to another kind of video, I would say. I have this and this that fell in my lap and I don't know what to do with them but to share them with you. It's called a 4-function whistle with thermometer, magnifier, compass, and whistle. Made by Ozark Trail, and as always, never paid for. So, what are these things? I have no idea, but I'm going to check out with you guys right here. And they seem to be something for people who go hiking, camping, and all that good stuff. Looks like here's the compass, and looks like it's the ones with liquid inside, or whatever you call that, because I see some kind of tiny bubble there to show where's north and where's south and all that. As you see, it spins with the hand. And there's a whistle here. I'm going to test the whistle really quick. So prepare your ears, because I'm going to blow the whistle. And this is the whistle. It sounds quite high. And this is the thermometer. Very interestingly, is a small mercury thermometer, I would assume right now. I don't know if you can see the red line right there. That shows almost 80 right now, which is quite accurate. And it looks really good. And what else did we have on this? Looks like a piece here. Oh, that's the magnifier. Does it work? Yeah, I guess. If you can see it here on camera. Let me just put it here. Thermometer, whistle, and magnifier. These are really interesting, actually, for if you go hiking and camping and all that good stuff. You just take one of these with you to have, and I guess it helps. You just hang it in your bag or something, and you can give it to your children to have it just in case, or you have a wild animal or something. You use the whistle, or you get lost from each other, you get separated, and you still use the whistle again, using the compass as well, and using the thermometer. These are really beautiful small thingies that I don't know what to say except for to kind of close this video early. I just wanted to show you and kind of share it with you, even though I've never seen them before because I never really needed them before, and now I know they exist. And thanks to nobody, you know they exist too. Thank you for watching, guys, and see you in next video. Bye!